A message from Mark. Inom na ako tubig, wait lang. Para mas bueno. "26 years old, lalaki. Slim yung katawan ko. Sa ngayon, yung estado ko pagdating sa trabaho, wala. Zero. Kasi ngayon, wala akong trabaho. It's January 2026. Naghahanap ako ng trabaho online. Most of it kasi magastos pag on-site.
Okay, hi there guys. Good evening.
Yan. Naririnig niyo ba?
Hello everyone.
Minute ko muna. Mabilisan lang to. There's a lot of time or era na parang down ka. Ito yung mga age na yun. 25, 26, 24, 23. Basta year of 20s mo. Bakit? Nandito kasi yung tinatawag na pressure. Medyo alanganin na. Pa-30 ka na. Tapos medyo bata ka pa. Pressure siya kasi yung magulang mo tumatanda. You want them to live better life pagtanda nila kahit pa paano. At pag nagkaroon sila ng sakit, sure kang meron kang maiaambag para mapagaling sila. Second, pressure from your relatives. Ramdam na ramdam mo talaga pag medyo wala ka. Tapos your relatives, parang lagi kang minabata when it comes to family gathering. I don't think it's normal, pero nagiging normal siya. Which is, yun yung medyo sad part dun. Third, ang hirap din to get a relationship if you don't have enough. And if you're not enough. What do I mean about it? Siyempre, when it comes to relationship, status matters specifically to a man. Why? You're the one who will provide to your future family. So, medyo mahirap siya. Yun yung pinaka-ano doon. Part of it, relationship needs a protector. In order to protect someone, aside physically, you have to be mindful enough and at least you making sure pagdating sa protect, hindi lang physical yung kaya mo. It's either law. What else? Of course, yung mga assets mo, you have to protect it using those money, no? Na kung meron. Ngayon, ano nga ba purpose nitong message ko? If you're like me, struggling right now, always see the bright side of it. Mahirap, pero mahirap siya kung tutusin. Kagabi ka, sobrang hirap. Then, reflection. Parang, ano nga ba yung mga naging mali ko in the past few years? Take it as a serious thing, then improve it. This is actually a message for myself. Then, faith, number 1, I think. Kasi, wait lang Wala naman kasing most powerful tool na meron ang isang tao is faith. Kahit wala akong nakikita, naniniwala ako na magkakaroon. Same with my job. Same with my relationship. Same with my future wife. Hindi ko pa siya nakikita, pero naniniwala ako magkakaroon ako ng mabuti, mabait, maganda, solid, mapagpasensyang tao na babae. Siyempre. So, 5 minutes na yung video. Basta, huwag mawawalan ng pag-asa. Kapit pare, kapit. Kapit. May Diyos. Lagi meron Diyos.